Welcome back everyone. We got Unit 2, Lesson 9.4 on this one. And what we're looking at here is a bit of a, I guess it's a menu. Yours is probably going to be a little bit different, by the way, and that's okay. Again, the idea here is just that we can put some backgrounds, because that's the name of this assignment, background colors, into various parts of the web page. So this is the web page as it pulls up. And you can see here I have this website, w3schools.com/colors/colors_names.asp. So this is going to be names of colors. And you can see they also have the hex code for those colors underneath. Okay, so I think there's like 140 colors to choose from on this. Lots, plenty to choose from. And we'll just choose them as we go. But there's also a hex color picker, so you can come in here and you can say, well, I want this color right here. I like this one. Maybe you like something a little bit more green, and you can click on the type of green that you want, and you can adjust it ever so slightly. And there's so many colors to choose from as you choose whatever color you want. Okay, so maybe you like a color like this one. I don't know what colors you like. But again, the idea here is that you are able to choose the colors that you want to choose for whatever assignment you're going to be using, or background color you're going to be using on this specific assignment. So yours is going to look a little different because again, mine is Eat at Jack's Restaurant menu, which we can see here, and they've already given the background color of, I'll say that's cyan. I don't know that we really need that semicolon there. I don't think that changes anything. Yeah, it didn't really change anything. I don't know why it was there, but whatever. So, what we need on this is we want level 1 heading tags to have a certain background color. So, this is going to be level 1 headings is Eat at Jack's Restaurant right there, which is a level 1 heading right there. We want a specific color for level 2 headings. Now on your assignment they want specific colors. I am not using those specific colors because in this specific example I get to choose whatever I want to choose. But you have to choose the colors that they have in the assignment. So even though in this assignment I'm going to be using different names, or I'm going to show you guys that you can also use the hex colors if you'd like, you have to use the colors that they want in the assignment if you want the credit. They also want the unordered list and the ordered list. Where's my, yeah, there's an ordered list right there, to also have a specific background color. I'm choosing for myself though, because I can. This is not the assignment directly, it's kind of indirectly. So let's go in here then, and we'll go to our level 1 heading first, and we're going to give it a color. So we see the body has a color, and see this setup right here for styling the body's background, and we can see the background color of the page is this cyan color. So we will expect, of course, the same type of code to be used when we want to put a background color in, for example, to the level 1 heading. So notice all I did right there is I highlighted style equals open parentheses background dash color colon, and then I put the closing parentheses right there. Well, you'd put the color in, but just in case you were worried like, I can't copy and paste on my computer, these Chromebooks aren't very nice to use, then we can type this in. STYLE equals open quotations, BACKGROUND dash COLOR, some people might say stroke, close quotations. Now, I'm only doing this because I know that I also need colors for my other level 2 headers, and then also for my unordered lists and my ordered lists. Yeah, there we go. So we got this unordered, 2 unordered lists, and then we have an ordered list inside this unordered list. So I can take this code now, and like I said before, I could come into this unordered list, the UL tag, and say we're going to give it a style equals quotations background dash color colon close quotations, and of course you can put in whatever color you want. well, actually for the assignment, you got to put in a specific color. But for me, I get to choose whatever color I want, so that is what I'm going to do. But again, why did I do that? It's because I can take this line right here. Notice it's not including the closing angle bracket. I can push Control C, or I can right click and copy, and then I can put this wherever I need it. For example, there's another level 2 heading, and here's another unordered list tag, and then here we have an ordered list tag, and again I need it in there. There's another ordered list tag. That's it. Okay, so again, this is just setting me up so that I can take a little bit of a shortcut. Now all I've got to do is find color. So again, color names. What color names do you want to put in here? Let's see, we've got cyan, so I'm going to choose dark orange. So I'm just going to type in that name, dark orange, into the color, and this is going to be the color of my level 1 header, dark orange. Save it. Let's see if this will run for us. Run it. There it is. All right. Now we'll come down here to our, let's see, next one is the unordered list. So we need a specific color there. Again, I'm just going to choose something random. And let's see, we got cyan, we got like a dark orange. So, I don't know, dark violet. Let's try that one. So for our unordered list, we'll do dark violet. And let's see how that goes. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now that was for our unordered list, right? So I got to come down here to the other unordered list and put in dark violet. Now, you may have noticed just with that much right there that it gets a little bit of annoying. It gets a little annoying when you're like, hey, we have this repeating of the backgrounds, right? Well, there are shortcuts to take, but for now we just need to get used to being able to do it, which is why we see a little bit of a redundancy in this assignment. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's not always going to be that way. Now down here below we have the ordered list. Beneath, looks like we got bacon and condiments, and we need a color for those. So going back to the page again, think about how you'd want to structure this, or change the colors. So right, we got these unordered lists which have a purple background. The main menu has orange, and then the overall page has this bluish color. So let's see, I haven't used red. So let's go ahead and find us a good red color to use. Oh, there's one, fire brick. I think that looks, well, that might be too dark. Let's try to find a light. Oh, I said I'd use hex, didn't I? So let's go to a red. Over here, we'll try to lighten it up. Well, I only want pink. Yeah, that's good enough red. Okay, so you can see the hex code right here. Now that's pound F70511. I can just click on this right here and it copies it for me, so that when I go into here and paste it, and now I know I need to paste it here too. Oh, well, I got rid of it for me. What the heck? There we go. Save it. Go to my web page, run it, and we can see it's now got that reddish type background, which is what I want. Now that was using the hex code. Again, even for these ones, we could have used the hex code for dark violet or dark orange or even the cyan, which was already there for us. But the colors that you use are completely up to you. Is this too colorful? Again, probably for a diner. But if this was like a kid's restaurant, they're going to want to see a lot of colors like this, I guess. But this is all we need for this assignment, is putting in our styles of background colors. Again, you get to choose whatever. Well, you can't choose whatever colors you want, but just put whatever colors they tell you to put in there. Okay, and then you can get the credit. Here is the code for lines 1 through 26. And then here's lines 12 through 37. Okay, that'll do it. Thanks for watching.